storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Inclusion versus exclusion. Today we're talking about something super important, or as I call it, you've invited versus oops, somehow your name disappeared from the group chat. This video is all about kindness, teamwork, and funny everyday situations where people either include others or accidentally have them kick out like the last French fries in the bag. Let's go. 1. Pizza party. Inclusion. Everybody gets a slice. Exclusion. One person watching. Others eat like it's a cooking show. Reason why inclusion wins. Sharing food creates happier friendship and fewer dramatic staring contests. 2. Group chat. Inclusion. Adding everyone to the conversation. Exclusion. Wait, there are pop chat this whole time. Reason why inclusion wins. People feel respected when they are informed and involved. 3. Video games. Inclusion, helping new players learn the controls. Exclusion, bro, lost in tutorial level. Reason why inclusion wins. Teaching creates stronger teams and more fun matches. 4. School project. Inclusion, everyone gets a role. Exclusion, one person does everything while others become professional others. Reason why inclusion wins. Teamwork works better when everyone participates. 5. Family gatherings. Inclusion, come sit with us. Exclusion, sitting alone beside the potato salad. Reason why inclusion wins. Small invitations can make people feel welcome instantly. 6. Sports. Inclusion, passing the ball to everyone. Exclusion, one teammate running cardio for free. Reason why inclusion wins. Good teamwork builds confidence and trust. 7. Workplace meetings. Inclusion, listening to everyone's ideas. Exclusion, great idea after ignoring for 20 minutes. Reason why inclusion wins. Different perspective, improve creativity and problem solving. 8. Online communities. Inclusion, respectful discussions. Exclusion, gatekeeping hobbies like an ancient treasure guards. Reason why inclusive wins. Communities grow stronger when a beginner feel welcome. 9. Birthday parties. Inclusion, inviting classmates fairly. Exclusion, awkward hallway silence the next day. Reason why inclusion wins. Kindness helps avoid hurt feelings and unnecessary drama. 10. Traveling abroad. Inclusion, respecting cultures and learning local customs. Exclusion, acting like the world revolves around your Wi-Fi password. Reason why inclusions wins. Respect creates a better international friendship and experiences.